Mix up for me. I was going to borrow the deck, but since you don't have one, I'm going to have you shuffle so that we know it's not in any preconceived order. Doesn't have to be perfect. That was good enough, alright? Okay. I'm going to turn the cards face up, that we can see all of them, and fan the cards out for me. Alright, perfect. Does that look like a shuffle deck to you?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. I'm going to square up those cards, and I'm going to go behind you and make a prediction. Yeah, just like that.
Okay. Clearly I don't have a lot of experience with cards.
Alrighty. Now, you'll be able to see that prediction in just a bit, right? And to my hand here, I want you to I want you to go ahead and start dealing down cards one by one.
Okay.
Alright. I'd like to tell you that you can stop at literally any time you'd like. And it doesn't have to be one by one either.
Here?
Right here? Is that the card you want?
Yeah.
You're sure about it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to put that card down. Are you sure you don't want any other cards?
No.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, the other hand. Oh, perfect. Now, I want to remind you and everybody else here that you could have chosen literally any one of these cards. And you also could have chosen any one of these ones. But for some reason, that's the one you stopped on. Alright, now go and turn around and look at that prediction over there. You have the three of spades.
Okay.
Now, you could have chosen any one of these cards. Go and turn that card over and show everybody. Isn't that crazy? Alrighty, so let's see back here a little bit. How many of you want to know how that trick was done? I figured. Now, a good magician will never reveal his secrets, but a great magician will always be able to sell them. Today, I'm here to sell you a video tutorial of all the tricks I showed you guys so far in class. First, I'll talk about the needs. Second, I'll talk about what this actually is and how it satisfies those needs. And then third, I'll visualize what it would be like to have it. So, I know just as much as anyone how it feels right after seeing a magic trick. You first want to know how the trick was done, thinking about all the possible ways there are to do it. And second, you think, well, I want to do that. The feeling of wanting to know how a trick is done is universal even among professional magicians. The magician Dynamo, in a 2017 interview on SquareMall.com, said that it was a simple trick with matches that first got him into magic. Then, as spectators, we imagine ourselves in the magician's shoes, wanting to know the secret to the trick so that we can show other people. And again, we see this even in the most professional of magicians. David Copperfield, in a 2016 interview on the official bicycle card site, said that learning magic allowed him to entertain others as well as take them on a journey like no other. So now that we've talked about some of the needs, next we'll talk about what this product actually is. And by the way, I actually am selling this. I'll talk about what this product actually is and how it satisfies those needs. So what is this product? On every one of these cards here, I have a compressed URL link that will take you directly to a video file that I have on Drive. And on this video file, there's over an hour's worth of recorded content, tutorials, tips, and performances of everything I've performed so far in this class. Made with a specific audience in mind, which is you guys. I go over performance tips, routining, slides, and more, so that anybody who purchases access to this video here will be able to go out and blow some minds. Now, the elephant in the room that I'm sure you guys have thought of is, well, wait, a magician's never supposed to reveal his secrets. But in the magic community, this is only partly true. Right after doing a trick, of course you don't want to give away the secret because it distracts from the overall performance, and this is something that Andrew Musgrave says in his 2010 blog. But there's something that Teller said in a 2015 interview on Vanity Fair that really influenced me, and it's that a little bit of learning can spoil magic, but a lot of learning can actually enhance it, especially if you put in time and effort into learning how much work goes into creating just one magical moment. And this enhancement of the magic experience is what I'm hoping to give you all through this video. So now that I've talked about what this product is and also talk a little bit about it, next I'll visualize what it would be like to have it. So this video is meant to both introduce you to performing magic as well as get you performing successfully. Imagine being in a new class next semester, not knowing anybody around you, but you notice that somebody else has a deck of cards, so you tell them, well, I can show you something cool with it while we wait for class to start. So yeah, you have them select a card, they see it and you don't, they return it to the deck, and then you go to your Snapchat or Instagram story where an hour earlier you posted a picture of their card. Or imagine watching a magic performance either live or through a screen, and you can see the sleights and card handlings that you know being performed in a way that makes them seem so much more magical because you know firsthand how much work goes into them. This is your fast pass ticket to the world of magic made specifically for you. So today I told you about this product, this one-time offer of a product that I'm offering. First, I talked about the needs. Second, I talked about what it actually is and how it satisfies those needs. And third, I visualized what it would be like to have it. Now, with one more show of hands, how many of you would actually be interested in getting one of these cards? Oh, that's a good amount to you. Now everybody with your hands up, use those hands to reach into your pocket and pull out your wallet or phone because I'm offering this product here for the low price of only $5. That's $5 for over an hour's worth of magic content. And in addition, for $10, I'll throw in a little something extra I've prepared. The hardest thing about getting into magic is finding the right resources to learn from. So I've created this handy little sheet here. And it'll save you hours and hours of research by pointing you in all the right directions. I've also included some neat little tips and secrets here that I'm sure you guys will appreciate. So, if you love performing magic, if you love watching magic, or even if you just want to support your local magician, raise your hands after we clap out, and I'll walk over and take care of business. Thank you.